So we opened up our side pasture. It's quite green. Fairly tall, although it could be better. Ideally we would have had them in here about a month ago, but we were trying to get rid of some fire ant mounds. What we have found after all of this is that the bait that kills the queen kind of works, but they keep coming back. But the stuff that you water in worked pretty well. So we've not had them on it for about a week, and it's about rained every other day. So very well watered in. We went around, checked all the mounds. Everything's dead, thankfully, finally. And now they can enjoy their pasture. So now this pasture we've seeded a couple of years in a row, so it's got a good seed bank in it, whether that was quality seed or not. So it's got Johnson grass, it's got broadleaf forbs, a bunch of clover, white and red, all sorts of stuff. Probably some goldenrod, stuff I don't even know what it is. That foxtail stuff that they won't even eat. But girls are having a good time. We got all the peonies. Hey, Cara. Fat little Boer goats. We call them our hippos. When they don't look like hippos, we worry. We like Johnson grass. And you can see in the background I've moved the boys over to that littler pen. Two reasons. One, the pen could use a little bit more grazing down. And two, the area that they usually are in, the area in front of their tin cans over there, it's gotten really muddy with all this rain. So we need to work it, and the last thing I want is to end up with boys standing around in mud. It's not good for them, not good for their feet. So they'll probably get a hangout in that pen for a couple weeks. And if those little bucklings I have don't sell right away, we're going to incorporate them into that herd. And that way when they go back over to their pen, once we've worked on managing their muddy situation, the little boys can go with. So, and there's Miss Cara still putting her head through fences, even though we've got the same stuff on the other side of the fence. But thankfully, the way her horns are, she doesn't get her head stuck.